Welcome to Short View Trading. This is your 1 minute market hit for Thursday, October the 24th. What matters for traders today? Over the last week to 10 days, markets have paused. The S&P, as you can see in this GIP chart coming up in front of you now, this sort of 1 minute chart, the S&P has been very much range bound between 29.75 and 30.15 as high risk appetite readings have begun to unwind. As we showed you about a week ago in these 1 minute market hit videos, our risk appetite models were at sell levels, illustrating that risk appetite had been high coming into early next week and that markets were therefore due a pause. That price action has played out across a number of key asset classes, not just the S&P, but you can see it in US Treasuries, which have pretty much been sideways over the past 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trading sessions, as well as gold. Gold's been in a very tight range recently as well. So the real question is, how do we go from here? Which way does the S&P 500 break? And our view very much is that it'll break to the upside. That's all laid out in full detail in today's daily rag and has been articulated in a number of the recent 1 minute market hit videos. But really underlying that at its heart is the fact that we think the trend is positive. This has been a very orderly consolidation. The behavior of a number of indices is encouraging in that respect. One or two are starting to break to the upside. See the DAX and Topics, interestingly, both very cyclical based indices, and both are behaving very well. For example, if you look at the DAX, the breadth of the break to the upside is good. It's an under-owned index, and in that respect, the correlation model we showed you the other day is confirming all of that. So, we think the view is the break goes to the upside. That's fully articulated in today's daily rags and recent daily rags, as mentioned. What are we watching today? Three key things. Earnings again. Of course, key tech bellwethers today, including Amazon and Intel, they should add to that grind higher in the S&P. They're another reason to be positive, as is the fact there's a Fed meeting next week and there's a high probability of a rate cut. Markets typically rally into that kind of environment. Over and above earnings today, we're also watching some US macro, some flash PMIs. We've had those out of Europe already, but we've got some out of the States later on. We've also got durable goods, and of course we've got a bit of housing data. And the final thing we're watching is the ECB meeting today, 12:45 London time, with a press conference. Of course, it's Draghi's last meeting. Nothing dramatic expected out of them, but there may be some comments in that press conference from Draghi as he departs, as I said, his last meeting. So that's it from us. That was your 1 minute market hit for Thursday, October the 24th. Please do sign up on YouTube, Twitter or LinkedIn. Thank you for listening.